When we get to the end of our life, it will not matter how great of a position we had at work, how much money we have, or how lovely our house is. Almost everything we own will end up in a garage sale or a trash dump. What will matter is if we listen and submit to the words of Christ. Solomon tried the same thing. Ecclesiastes 2:4-6 says, "I made great works. I built houses and planted vineyards for myself. I made myself gardens and parks and planted in them all kinds of fruit trees. I made myself pools from which to water the forest of growing trees." Solomon had many more resources than you and I. However, his houses, vineyards, gardens, and parks are no longer standing. The wealth he had? He lost the day he died. And eventually, all that we have will not be left standing. Maybe we pivot by saying that we'll leave a legacy instead of accumulating wealth. There is some goodness in leaving a legacy. However, that legacy will die as well. Do you know who your great-great-grandparents are? Probably not, and that was not very long ago. Your great-great-grandkids will probably not know you. Even if you become famous, people may remember your name, but they do not truly know who you are. Many think they can live the life they want now and submit to God later. You may think you will have more time later. However, you don't know how much time you actually have left on earth.